Oh, hello. Welcome to the box room. So I found 3 batteries, still kind of wrapped up, which is all beautiful, but I need 4. So what's the only reasonable thing to quickly do? I stole one from a remote. And why? Well, because I have here this magical joystick. There it is. And it is basically a Commodore 64 joystick, and it has 30 games in there. And Jerri Ellsworth was part of it. And it's a beautiful, magical thing. Anyway, this one, never opened, never used, never tested. But it takes a screwdriver to get into it. I guess for safety. Well, you don't want the well, the joystick's going to get moved around a bunch. You don't want the batteries falling out in the middle of the game. And of course, the screw. The screw's one of those ones that doesn't come out. And that's all fine. But I need it to let me in. And it doesn't want to. But I'm doing it. I'm sure at some point. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a long screw. Okay. So here is where the magic happens for power. For AA batteries. When they go in opposite ends, opposite ways. It's all marked. Basically, of course, the flat end goes against the spring. And it's in. Now, first thing I'm going to do is just turn it on. Oh, and look. The LED lights up. So I can turn it back off. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it in position. I'm going to give it a little screw. Now here is where it gets not complicated. But you see, in here, I don't have a whole lot of room to diddle around with cables and things. So, what I'm going to do, because I have the Amiga connected here, so I guess I need to take the twist tie off the cable. So, I really don't have the mechanism at the moment to do exactly what I would like to do, and I'm trying to think which is what. I don't know. Alright, so I'm reaching behind, and I'm putting one of these things onto the 520 adapter. And if I have the right one, maybe something will come up on the screen. Look at that. It's a Commodore logo. So this is looking good. So now that that is happy and doing something, where'd the cable go? Uh-oh. Oh, okay, it's doing something. Oh, cool. It is loading. Now, I've got to see what I can do about getting the sound over to it. Okay. What have I done? Okay, I have this cable. Oh, I see. Okay, so chances are these things are kind of spread apart. You know what? I've got to do something I don't really want to do, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to pull this out, and this cable can move down a bit because these things are separated. Okay, wrong one. Hang on. There we go. Oh. Oh. So, many years sitting in its container, and it's all good. So let's see. I'm just looking for something that I can quickly do that I might have a chance at. Ooh. Some of these I remember, some I don't. So the games that are in here are Zymaps, World Karate Championship B, World Karate Championship A, Winter Games, Uridium, Tower Toppler, Sword of Fargal, Surfing, Sumu, Supercycle, Summer Games, Speedball, Silicon Warrior, Ranarama, I'm not sure, I think it's Ranarama, Pit Stop 2, Pit Stop, Paradroid, Jumpman Jr., Impossible Mission 2, Impossible Mission, Gateway to Apshaw, Flying Disc, Firelord, Exelon, Eliminator, Cybernoid 2, Cyberdyne Warrior, Championship Wrestling, Bull Riding. Okay, that's it. So, you know what? Maybe I will try. Maybe Pit Stop 2. So this, by the way, this is really a Commodore 64 inside this joystick. Miraculous as it is. Okay, I'm in. Do I have to press something? Okay. I do. I'm going to be a rookie. I'm going to start the race. I think. Oh, okay. Track. Number of laps. No. I just want 3 laps. I'm a rookie. So you move the joystick down and I can start the race. Press your button. Okay, I think I need to do this with this hand. Okay, that's me. And away we go. Oh, okay. I think I'm the top one. Boy, it is very responsive. Very responsive. I don't know if I've ever played Pit Stop 2. I know I played Pit Stop. But it is very responsive on the turns. Oh no. Don't hit the car. I hit the car. And there's something about this game that I was not aware of, and that is that there actually is a pit stop thing where you can pull off into to get things. And I remember, I think my tires were in trouble. I didn't realize it. Just follow. Don't hit the car. Don't hit the car. Don't hit the car. Okay. It's a long track, this. I don't think I've done a whole lap yet. And the pit stop thing. Oh, come on. Is, I think, at the start-finish line. Where it widens out. And I always thought that was kind of an error. But it's not. I don't know. Oh no, don't hit the car. Don't hit the car. Oh. Every time you hit something or go off the road, it of course slows you down. You lose some speed. There we go. We're moving now. Oh, I had it. I had the pass and I blew it. Alright, I think we're coming up. Oh, there's... Aha! Okay. I'm in the pits. Now what? Oh. I've never done this before. I don't know what to do. Oh. Okay. I don't know if I did anything, actually. But I went in the pits. I guess I was supposed to do something. I don't think this has helped my... I'll have to check up on this. Anyway, I went in the pits, and then there was something like a steering wheel. You know, the nice thing also about this thing is, boy, it is very responsive, is they did put what seems to be they didn't put some cheap, like, Commodore type joystick with this. They put something like a serious joystick. It's very, very responsive. And it feels like it would last. And because this is the game thing, it has to be good. You don't want to sell something like this and have them all come back because the joystick broke. Okay, that guy's in the pits. Oh, I can see. He's clicking on people and things are happening. Imagine. I did not know what to do. Perhaps next time around, when I get past this car, I can go in the pits. My hand is starting to get tired. Okay, come on, get by. Pull the path. Oh, that didn't... Oh, no, I'm off the track. What happened? Where am I? What's going on here? Am I done? Am I out of gas? Where am I? I'm off at the side. I can't do anything. Maybe I'm dead. Hello. I can't get back on the track. Maybe it's done. Well, maybe I ran out of something. I don't know. Well, I cannot return to the track. So I guess I'm going to lose. It's funny, you would think that there would be something. I'm pressing the right button, I'm pressing the left button. Maybe I really got damaged. Well, you would think they wouldn't sit and make me watch the whole race go by. Oh. Okay, so I did not... Okay, so I was knocked out of the race. Oh, well. Alright, so the cool thing now is, I'm done with that. I'm going to press the reset button, and it should probably start over. Look, it comes... Oh, you know what? Hang on, I'm going to turn it right off. I like a reset better than turning it on and off. But look, up comes a Commodore logo. And then it goes away into the credits. And there is a way, there's a secret way in. Anyway, now it's coming up with the Commodore 64 thing. It says load, quote, asterisk, quote, comma, comma 1, loading, run. And then we're in! So this is working, and it has cool music to start at the beginning. So Mark Greenshields, Mary Jo, lead programmer, Robin Harbron, programmers, Adrian Gonzalez, Per Olafson, Mark C. I remember there was a guy who made the World of Commodore. He was part of this. Documentation, Jason Compton. Hardware, Jerri Ellsworth. She is still involved in high-tech things. She is a genius. Alright. So I think, you know what, because I do, I'm going to turn this off. There we are. So we can do more of this later. But if you find one of these online, it's a great thing to do, to add, or a great thing to have if you have a Commodore 64 collection. Anyway, I'm so pleased this one works. And right now, I believe I have to get to the dentist. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. We'll see you again in the box room. David Bradley, signing off.